The top 10 most dangerous cities in the world. Some people like to know and experience different places all over the world. The enlisted 10 cities selected because of the higher rate of murders. Let us explore the shocking facts about them. 10. Belém, Brazil. The city plays a vital role as major tourist destinations of the universe. Apart from these, the bitter truth about the city is its presence on the list of most dangerous countries of the world. The reports of murder rate and several crimes act as proof for this fact. Out of the total population, the murder rate per 100,000 is 71.38. The tourists who came over there for enjoying the city had also met with theft and mugging experience. It is always suggested not to keep valuable things on the journey to the town. It is hard to believe that the city with historical attractions is known in the label of violent city of the world. 9. Ciudad Guayana, Venezuela. Ciudad Guayana is a port city in Bolivia of Venezuela. The major attractions of the city include national parks and beautiful waterfalls. During these days the people should be more careful while traveling to this city. Venezuela reported with less economic stability, and the people suffer from poverty in most regions. The murder rate of the country is reported as 80.28 per 100,000 people. It reveals the criminal behavior of the people in the city. 8. Ciudad Victoria, Mexico. Ciudad Victoria, located in the northeast part of the Mexican state. The city is one of the most dangerous cities in the world. A city reports a large number of violent incidents every day. The homicides rate of the Ciudad Victoria is 83.32. The drug killings and related activities hold a significant part in this. 7. Fortaleza, Brazil. The beach cities and various tourist spots of the town was always a focus of attraction. Sadly, there are some hidden facts about this mind-blowing city. The number of the murder rate in the suburban city itself gives a red alarm to the travelers. It is given that out of 1 lakh people the murder rate is 83.48. 6. La Paz, Mexico. La Paz is one of the major cities of Mexico. The small but charming city is famous because of the landscapes and adventures. The unique features make the city a major sport of tourism. But this coastal city in Mexico reports a large number of crimes. It is growing as a dangerous place to visit, and the tourists are now much bothered about visiting the site. Valuables in cars or hotel rooms are vulnerable to theft. The drug wars and killings are a usually heard incident in the city. The murder rate of people in the town is 84.79 per lakh. 5. Tijuana, Mexico. Tijuana is one of the fastest growing city in Mexico. It is the most visited border city in the world. To taste the Mexican culture, numerous people cross the border every day to the city. The nightlife, the cool cafes, and restaurants add beauty to the city. However, the city people are aware of the dangers. The public places and the beautiful tourist spots hold a large number of pickpockets and purse snatchers. The most important fact about the city is the higher murder rate, which is 100.77 per lakh people. 4. Natal, Brazil. Brazil. Natal city is on the Atlantic coast of Brazil. The attractions of the city cover wonderful beaches, historical places, and the shopping malls. The so-called City of Sun also possess some warnings and dangers. The eye-catching beaches are a regular place of robbery in the city. Tourists at the beach have reported many cases. The muggers in the city will note the camera and valuable things with people. In some worst cases, blackmailing at gunpoint is used for robbery. Thus the Brazilian city is shocking with the news of gang violence and corruption. The murder rate in the town is 102.56 per lakh. 3. Acapulco, Mexico. Acapulco is a major seaport city in the Pacific Coast region of Mexico. The perfect bay and warm weather are important attractions in the city. However, the city has got a crown as the third most dangerous city in the world. The murder rate in the city is 106.63 per lakh of people. But the increased number of crime and drug trafficking made the city a risky place to land in. The murder of a blogger who reported about organized crimes in the city itself shows how strong the crime gangs are. Robbery, snatching or drug wars are not a new incident in the city. 2. Caracas, Venezuela. Caracas was cited as the most dangerous city in the world as there was a recorded 119.87 homicides per 100,000 residents. The primary baseline factors is the political instability and shortage of food. Economic instability also acts as a significant reason behind the increased murder rate. 1. Los Cabos, Mexico. Los Cabos City in Mexico is a gorgeous resort city. The reputation of the city as a peaceful gateway no more exists. The drug handlers played the important role in adorning a red mark over the city. The number of murders is skyrocketing in the city as times moves on. As per the latest calculations, the homicides rate is 111.33 per every 1 lakh people. The sands are not pure, but they show the scattered blood spots. The violence among drug gangs is also a major reason for the increased crime rate in the city. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new videos.